Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 9 and today I would like to show you how you can operate a pop-up view on this device. First of all, you need to access Site Smart Bar. After that, pick one of your apps like browser. And as you can see, now I can use my browser in this little window over here. If you wish to move it somewhere else, you can do that by holding this blue line and dragging your app. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can do that by clicking on this X icon at the top right corner, but if you wish to still use your app, you can click at the top left corner and use your app in full screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!